When you think of Dyer Avenue in the Bronx, do you think of acai bowls and fresh juices? We're here at Feckles Juice, and here we're going to explore exactly what an acai bowl is. Are you nervous about it? Don't know exactly what it is? Well, don't worry. Andre's going to tell us all about it. Ready? Let's go. Hi, Andre. Thank you so much for being on this episode of Healthy Bronx Bites with Mary.
Oh, thank you, and welcome to Feckles.
Oh, I'm so excited to be here. So,
First time?
actually, it's not my first time. It's like my second or third time.
Okay.
And what brought me here is because I heard you guys have these amazing things called acai bowls.
Yes, we certainly do. We do have the Açai Bowl, which is an essential berry from Brazil. Yeah.
So I feel like we're going to be learning a lot today. Before we even get into that amazing dish that I've never had, I wanted to actually talk about your establishment. This establishment is extremely important to the community, and I want to know why, out of all the places to have something like this, why did you choose this location?
Well, according to our founder, approximately 4 years plus, Miss Felicia Forbes, it was part of her passion to ensure there's something enriched in the community where it's different, and juicing was her thing. Her friends, everyone used to come to the house, hey, make me a juice, I'm feeling sick, this is what's happening. She's juicing, and then she developed a passion and said, let me look around our community, see how many stores offer this, and with recommendations coming from her, I think you should do this, and here we are.
How many years has it been?
It's been 4 years plus, so coming October of this year, it should land just about 5 years.
And I noticed on my way in, there were a lot of beautiful artwork all around the establishment. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
We have local artists as well, but the main ones, as you can see to the right of our store, once you walk in out, it's from a young man. He's actually from Belize, but he now resides in France. As the saying say here at Feckles, where juice meets culture. So we're adverting for diversity and ethnicity right here while we're juicing.
Oh, I love that. So now that we got all the beautiful culture and we have a little bit more sense about you and the background of the shop, can you go right into what is an acai bowl?
Well, Açai Bowl, it's right here, ladies and gentlemen, right before your very eyes. It is from Brazil. Okay. And it's from the Amazon area. It's grown like a palm tree. You know what a palm tree is, right?
Yes.
Like, it's grown like this in seeds, and then they process it into this beautiful making right here. It's rich in antioxidant. It's actually good for many stuff. I was told it's rich in zinc. It's also good for digestion. It's also good for having a healthy day.
I like that. So if we're going to make this bowl, what's the first thing that we need to do?
So first of all, this comes in a bucket. I already have it prepared for you guys in a bucket where we just scoop. It's about 2 scoops we added.
And it has to be cold?
Scoops. Yes, it has to be frozen, because if it's melted, it's going to be liquefied.
Okay.
And we could turn that. We can also use that to make a protein shake. We could make a smoothie into it, a juice into it. But for this is the bowl. And what we do, we add our milk right here, our content, which is our milk.
So is it any type of milk?
Well, we don't do dairy, so we specialize in almond milk.
Okay.
So almond milk, we add it right there, just about to half right there. And we blend it.
Okay.
So I'm going to pass this over to Carl over here, and Carl's going to get this started for us, all right?
Sounds good.
Carl. Okay, now that we have our blended acai, some people say acai, some say acai. Put this to the side. Before we do that, we want to make sure the texture is rich enough. You see that?
Okay. I think they want to see it. My
I'm
viewers
sorry.
want to see how it looks at home.
There you go. Look at the consistency, and I'm going to have you pour it for us. There you go.
Got it.
And it's going to come down all the way. Amazing. That should be it. You can put your spoon back right. See, you did something excellent there. Look at this.
Oh, the professional way.
I try to look very presentable for our clients or customers who gets this on the daily. I'm gonna put this away right here.
'Cause I'm definitely one of those people, if it doesn't look too good, I'll still eat it, but you know, the eyes matter.
Yep. Now,
Okay.
I'm gonna let you pick your toppings.
Okay.
And we're gonna decorate this bowl right here. Let this baby look like, yeah, it's yummy, it's healthy.
You decorate it.
All right, so you, I know, pretty much is allergic to bananas.
I
asked
know,
her
I'm one of the
before.
only people allergic to bananas.
Oh,
Don't judge
man.
me.
So we're gonna go for strawberries, right?
Yes.
You definitely said you like your strawberries.
Love
so we're just
strawberries.
gonna sprinkle it there.
See, I would not have decorated this nearly as pretty. This would have just been a mess.
Oh man, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add some superfood for you.
So what is this?
This is actually hemp seed.
So what's so good
And
about hemp seed?
Hemp seed is so good for the internal intake for digestion, and also it keeps you filled as well. So this is something, it's very healthy and it's very hearty at the same time. And we sprinkle it across like that.
And it is very pretty.
Oh,
So it's
yeah, it
filling
gives it
and
that
pretty.
rich look. Okay. What we're gonna do as well, we're gonna add your granola. Are you a fan of granola?
I love granola.
There you go. This is a whole meal in a bowl.
Again, it has that filling effect.
There you go. And we're gonna bring this over. Now this is what you're gonna do on your own.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of coconut.
There you go.
So what is coconut good for?
In Jamaica, right? They have this saying that it's good for the heart. It cleanses the heart. Coconut is actually good for many stuff. It's good for digestion. It's good for your skin. It's good for purifying the melanin within your blood. So it's rich. You can put this in anything.
I think this is good. I think I want to taste it now.
Oh.
Am I missing something?
Yes. Guess what you're missing?
What am I missing?
Your spoon. Let me get you a spoon from right
Yes.
here. And you could dig deep.
I want you to try it too.
Sure. No problem.
Because I want my coconut spreading skills.
Okay.
So this is my first time. Ready?
Look at that. All right.
Wait, I gotta get all the other ingredients too.
There you
then.
go. Don't miss. Don't
I
miss.
gotta get fancy.
Look at that. 1, 2,
Three.
3.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a nutty, sweet, almost like not yogurt, but like a fruity yogurt almost.
Now this is served any time of the day. It can be eaten for lunch, breakfast, dinner, brunch.
So why do you recommend these bowls to someone? Someone who's like maybe like me, who's a little bit reserved on trying like a cold dish. What are the health benefits really?
Technically, it's low in fat.
Okay.
Very low in fat. The calorie count in Açai Bowl is very low, and with the zinc that's in it, it stabilizes your blood tone as well.
Oh, wow.
So I recommend this to anyone who say, listen, I want something fast, quick, and healthy, and it's super fast to prepare. Not even 5 minutes, boom, it's right there before your eyes.
I want to say thank you so much for doing this,
You're
for
welcome,
sharing
anytime.
this recipe. If someone wants to do this at home, it seems like all these ingredients they could do at home. Maybe just have to
Well,
buy the acai.
Yeah,
like
they can
the-
purchase acai, but not only that, doing it at home, you can add your own ingredients if you want. You can add your kale, you can add your protein powder.
In the blender
In the
with-
blender and blend it. The kale, you can have the kale on top, just for the color in it, as well as for your intake, because vegetables is pretty good for you.
So I know you guys offer this amazing acai
Yes.
bowl, but what else do you guys offer?
Well, not only that, acai is just a tiny fraction of what we have to offer here at Freckles. This is where you can get healthy eats, such as you can get vegan burgers, you can get vegetarian burgers. We offer our salmon burger, which everyone seems to die for a lot of times. We got our vegetable soup. The list goes on. Moving over to our smoothies, we got green smoothies, we got fruit smoothies, also our natural juices. That's something at this time of the year that we focus on. Like, for example, we have our ear drizzy, which was one of our top sellers. It's a green smoothie. You guys should check that out with the parsley, the kale, the cucumber, the apples. You guys come on down, try it out.
So why do you focus on those juices this time of year?
At this time of the year, this is actually good for your immune system, because at this time, this is when everyone, it's
Gets
like
sick.
gather all
I
the
feel it.
food inside, and then the weather changes, so it helps to build up against sickness. Like, this is flu season, and for me, it's better than immunity shot. Not for me. I'll drink a natural juice. I take my turmeric shots, and that helps to knock out whatever is coming. Helps to fight it and get rid of the dead toxins that sit inside. So I'll recommend you come on down, try a natural juice. Ask our staff. They're very knowledgeable of what to give to you. They're not just going to give you any and anything. You want to find out. They're like doctors here. Hey, what are your symptoms? What do you have today? Oh, you're coughing. Your eyes are red. Did you get any sleep? You know what? You look like you need to wake up. Let me give you some ginseng inside of it. Stuff like that.
So you guys provide recommendations as well. So if someone
Yes,
who's
we do.
new to juicing or maybe not used to eating this type of food, you guys can provide guidance as well. I think that's so awesome.
Yes, we
Again,
will.
thank you so much for what you're doing here and what you're doing for the community.
Anytime.
And to my viewers at home, I want to say thank you for watching this segment of Healthy Bronx Bites with your host, Mary Vin Rose. I hope to see you in the next episode of Foodie Down Bronx. Bye, guys.
Peace.